Kcse Mathematics 2025 statistics question, 10 marks question. So you're given a question: the quantity of petrol in liters used by 40 border borders. So here the total number is 40. On a particular day is as follows: 1.7 all the way up to this value. So you're being told the cost of 1 liter of petrol is 160. Starting with 1.5 liters and using a class interval of 0.5, draw a frequency distribution table for the data. So we have a class interval of 0.5. So when you start with 1.5, you are going to go up to 1.9, so that when we subtract, then we add. When you subtract, you get 0.4. When you take the upper class limit and the lower class limit, it will give you 0.5. So the next is 2.0 to 2.4, then 2.5 to 2.9, then we have 2.0 to 3.4. So you have the classes, then you'll have the frequency, then you'll have 3.5 to 3.9, 4.0 to 4.4. So the lowest value it has accommodated 1.5, and the highest is 4.3. So you can go up to 4.4. Then we have the frequency. So we just count the numbers which are between this class, and these classes they have interval of 0.5. For our case, if you look here, the difference between 1.9 and 2.0 is 0.1. So the upper class limits will be 1.95, then the lower class limit beside it will be 1.45. When you subtract, you'll get 0.5. The same applies to other classes. So we are going to count between 1.5 and 1.9. How many of them? The frequency. So you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, 4, 5, you have 6, 7. So you have 7 as the frequency. Between 2 and 2.4, between 2 and 2.4, have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5, we have 6, 7, 8. Between 2.5 and 2.9, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, have 11. Between 3 and 3.4, so it's better to cancel so that you know it makes work easier. So you have 1, you have 2, 3, 4, 5, you have 6, 7, you have 7. Between 3.5 and 3.9, you have 1, we have 2, 3, I have 4. Then between between 4 and 4.4. We have 1, 2, 3, have 3. So you just need to confirm if the sum of the frequency is 40, that we know if we have counted correctly. This one is 7, 14, it will be 20, 21. This will be this will be 15 plus 11, 26, that's 3, then 40 here. We are okay, so it will be 40 there. So the next part, they have said use the frequency distribution table in A to estimate the mean for max. So at this point you have the class, so you need the midpoints, then you need the frequencies. So the classes, you have 1.5 to 1.9, 2.0 to 2.4, 2.5 to 2.9, 3.0 to 3.4, have 3.5 to 3.9, 4.0 to 4.4. The frequencies are 7, 8, 11, 7, 4, and 3. So the midpoint will be taking this plus this, then you divide by 2. Here we get 1.7, 2.2, 2.7, 3.2, 3.7, 4.2. Then you have to calculate fx. So it'll be multiplying this times this, we get f of x. So this one will get 12.6. This one you are going to get 14.8. This one you are going to get 15.4. This one you are going to get 11.9. and this one, when we multiply, this will be 6, 17.6, and this one will be 27 times 2.7 times 11. We're going to get 29.9.7. I have 31.7. So for you to get the mean, we have the sum of f of x over the sum of f. So we are going to add this column and you divide by the total number of items, which is 40. Then we go to the median. So after getting the mean here, you are being told that you are going to get here the mean in liters, but we know that 1 liter it goes at Kenya shillings 160. So you're going to multiply by that amount so that you get the mean amount of money spent on petrol. Then you have the median amount of money spent on fuel by the median boda rider. So we want to get the median also. You have lowest class limits plus n/2 minus cumulative frequency above over frequency within times the class interval. The class interval is 0.5. Our n over 2, which is 40 divided by 2, we have 20. So we are going to have another column for the frequency, cumulative frequency. So we have another column for the cumulative frequency where we have 7. When we add here, we get 15. Then the next one is 26 plus 7, 33, and 37. Then we have 40. So where do 20 lies? 20 lies at here, 26. So we have at 26, the frequency within is 11. And then the class is 2.5 to 2.9. So the lowest class limit, so it will be 2.45. Then you have plus n over 2, which is 20. Cumulative frequency above is 15. The frequency within that class is 11 times the class interval, which is 0.5. So we are going to get the median. After getting the median, you also know that 1 liter rates at Kenya shillings 160. So after getting that median, you're going to multiply it by 160 shillings to get the median amount spent on fuel by the median boda boda rider.